Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You're ready to create a shareable photo link. First, open Google Photos on web or app and sign in. Once done, locate the album or single image you want to share and select it. This starts the sharing flow. Make sure you choose the exact photo version, edited versus original, because the link points to what's selected. Now tap the share icon, choose Create Link when prompted. This first step generates the unique URL you'll distribute. Once the link exists, you need to refine access and behavior. After copying the link, preview it in an incognito window to confirm the visible content and privacy. If you're sharing multiple photos or want collaborators, add them to a shared album and set member permissions, viewer or contributor, so people can add or comment. Make sure to adjust options like allowing downloads or restricting sharing further. This controls how the link behaves. To finish, paste the copied link into your email, chat, or post and ask one recipient to confirm access. If you need to stop access later, return to the photo or album sharing options and turn off link sharing or delete the shared album. This immediately invalidates the URL. If someone can't view the photo, make sure they're not blocked, that your Google account is active, and that the photo finished uploading or syncing. If problems persist, recreate the link and retry.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.